Hey guys, it's Bob over at SafetyFirst, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your SurfSight camera, your Go 9 device, and the 4-way Y harness. First, you're going to need a SurfSight camera with an OBD2 port for the power port. Next, you're going to need a Geotab Go 9 device. And lastly, you'll need is the 4-way Y harness. This Y harness is going to make it really easy to install all of your hardware inside your vehicle. You're going to use your Y harness to connect to your OBD2 port inside your vehicle. Once you have that connected, it's going to allow you 3 additional ports for your hardware. We're going to take the first port and we're going to connect our power cord for the camera. Now our camera is connected. We're going to take our Go 9 device and connect it to the OBD2 port. Now that's connected. And your third port will replace your existing OBD2 port that we connected the original Y to. This is going to make your installation about 20 minutes and hopefully very simple. If you do have any questions or have any issues, please feel free to give us a call.